One of our highlights each summer is floating down our home river. Thousands of people participate in these river parties. However, we were wondering, why is everyone using boats for these events that are designed for fishing? The answer? There are no boats out there designed for river parties, so we decided to change that. With Munich river boats, we offer the first inflatable boat on the market designed for floating down the river parties. We named it Kaiser Barbarossa. Drinks might be the most important part of any boat tour, so we designed a solid floating trailer for your beer case. It's easily attachable directly behind the boat, ensuring a safe ride and chilled beer. Having a chilled drink is nice, but you don't want to take care of it all the time. So the Kaiser Barbarossa offers bottle holders for each passenger with an innovative wedge fixation method, ensuring that your drink does not go overboard, even in bumpy waters. Just plug in your beer bottle and fixate it with a wedge. If you want to take a sip, just pull it out. Music is of course also a crucial factor of any river party, so we designed a safe place for your waterproof boombox. It's located at the rim of the boat, ensuring the best acoustics. Just place it there and fixate it with the straps. Obviously, you will bring your phone, and you want to use it during the trip. Hence, the Kaiser Barbarossa offers waterproof smartphone bags directly attached to the boat with a retractable cord. The feature keeps your phone safe and ensures quick and easy access at all time. You also need room to securely store some stuff. For this purpose, we designed a luggage compartment at the front of the boat, which will keep your belongings safely stored. And if you don't need it, there is also a dedicated place for the mesh when it's not in use. Talking about luggage, people usually come to these events with flip-flops, so we added dedicated flip-flop holders. That saves space, keeps the boat clean, and the flip-flops are easy to reach. The Kaiser Barbarossa comes with a handy backpack, big enough to easily fit in the boat, paddles, pump, and all other accessories. This allows you to carry your party boat on your back comfortably to any location. Munich Riverboats, the first brand for river floating.